We're here at the Courtyard by Marriott here in Kansas City, Missouri.
It's the official hotel of the NFL.
And guess what? We got some KONEs. Oh boy.
I like that chime.
No. I don't want to have any KONEs anyway.
Great sounding chime.
Ground. It's ground. Going up?
Yep.
What floor?
6, please.
6. There we go.
Cleanest elevator ever.
It is clean, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I'm like, holy shit.
Yeah, must be kind of new.
But totally.
Have a good night, guys. You too.
Yay! 10-story KONEs. Oh gosh. Great, I broke that button. Oh. There we go, fixed it. Why? Of all the elevator cabs, why stainless steel?
It stays nice and clean.
I don't like KONE. They're cheap. I like the carpet. And here we are one. I guess that is gonna be it.